10 jobs that will be replaced by robots. Artificial intelligence has become a buzzword that has permeated all our lives. AI and automation are transforming how businesses communicate with their clients and execute their operations. The transformation in the industry has also led to a change in skills requirements. As a result, 34% of HR leaders invest in workforce learning and reskilling as part of their strategy to prepare for the future of work. These technologies have brought numerous benefits such as higher productivity, better GDP growth, improved performance. But they have also changed the way we view human workers now. In an interview with the New York Times, the tech avant-garde Elon Musk said that artificial intelligence would take over humans in the next 5 years. Will robots take our jobs? It is probably not an easy answer to provide, but the concern is far from being baseless. Even if the change is not imminent right now, industry experts such as Fortune have stated that robots will replace 40% of jobs in the next 15 years. AI and advanced technology expect that processes will become smarter and machines will be more humanized in the long run. However, the problem is that it may also make a few jobs redundant. According to the World Intelligence Congress, AI, virtual personal assistants, and chatbots will replace almost 69% of the manager's workload by 2024. When technology and computers were introduced, they showed improvements in productivity, global reach, and faster communication across the world. Computers have reduced or eliminated paperwork to a great extent for one. It and software have enhanced our problem-solving, reasoning, knowledge, learning, and planning qualities. But do you think robots are taking over your job as well? It may be hard to predict the exact impact that AI will have on specific assignments. Mechanization and technology have had some effect on particular professions. Similarly, AI might also have that impact. 10 jobs that robots will replace in the future. Based on the nature and type of these jobs, here is a rundown of the jobs that AI machines are most likely to perform in the future. 10. Customer service executives. Customer service executives don't require a high level of social or emotional intelligence to perform. Many companies now rely on AI to answer FAQs and customer support questions. Chatbots are not only becoming a significant part of customer interaction, they also support a lot of internal queries, among others. 9. Project managers. The project manager is responsible for leading the project from start to finish. They must keep constant communication with all others on the project and are required to be on call at all times. AI can help project managers to a great extent. It will lead to increased project success rates, but it is improbable that AI will replace project managers. On the other side, activities where the schedules are continually changing and there is no exact pattern, robots will not be able to master. 8. Receptionists. And with auto check-ins in both large and small hotels, there will be a lesser need for receptionists in the long run. Nowadays, even in fast food joints, people can place orders through communication screens or tabs. With AI's introduction, there is a good chance that robots can handle ordering and other related functions. 7. Proofreading. While editing is a more complex job in terms of tonality, comprehension, and others, proofreading is much simpler. Detecting grammatical mistakes, sentence construction, and other errors can easily be automated through different apps. For example, Grammarly is one of the most famous apps that professionals use for this purpose. 6. Manufacturing and pharmaceutical work. This sector is probably the most extensive area where people are scared that AI will take over jobs. When the production process for most commodities produced today has been mechanized, the operational aspect can also be handled by AI. Even in pharmaceutical labs, robots can work together with scientists, providing a much safer environment. Scientists will no longer be putting their lives less at risk. 5. Retail services. Automated services have replaced people who carry out the way sales. From several merchants focusing on self-ordering and payment options, AI can very quickly be involved as well. Robots are replacing retailer jobs in many shopping conglomerates to understand customers' patterns. Moreover, the advanced data analysis of AI machines shows other products that customers might be interested in the future. 4. Courier services. AI has introduced many social and economic changes to the delivery industry. It has streamlined various logistics and supply chain functions. Drones and robots are already taking over courier services. Aside from the manufacturing industry, the transport sectors will be most affected when robotic automation booms in the future years. 3. Doctors. We are already witnessing robot surgeons perform critical operations worldwide, and it's only a matter of time before they completely replace us. Robotic doctors will make more accurate and effective treatments for the patients compared to their human counterparts. There is also less chance of infection due to more sterile measures and no room for human error. 2. Soldiers. Military professionals are sure that future battlefields will consist of robots that can follow orders without constant supervision. Robots are significantly being used in military operations for various tasks such as surveillance, intelligence, and many more. Recently, the head of the UK military stated that autonomous robots could soon form a corner of the British Army by 2030. 1. Taxi and bus drivers. There is a 98% chance that this sector will be completely automated. Self-driving cars are already here, and it won't be long before fully autonomous vehicles take over us. As per the Los Angeles Times, self-driving trucks could replace 1.7 million American truckers in the next 10 years. Which one is the more interesting part? You can share your thought in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, so like, share, and subscribe to my channel so we come back with more interesting content. Thanks for watching.